Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as highly requested from you guys, I am going to do a review on the Apple Ring collection, which comes in two different colors, the green and the brown. Now in regards of the price, it is a monthly prescription lens, which means one box you get a pair, and this costs USD $29. However, Olens is doing like their promo or sale, and so you actually get buy one get one free, which means that if you get buy one get one free, the lens will last about 2 months or 1 month each for each box. So yeah, I got about 4 here, and also I have different eye power, but doesn't really matter because yeah, you're gonna get like 2 boxes anyway. The diameter for this is also quite small. I'm currently wearing the green one. So the total diameter is 14.0 millimeter, and the graphic diameter is actually 13.1 millimeter. Now, in comparison with this, with my last video, which is the VV ring, the VV ring is only small by 0.1 millimeter. So not much difference, you guys, but yeah, it's actually very nice. It gives you a little bit of the enlarging effect as well. However, this pattern looks really unique once you actually put it on, because it's a bit like a 3-tone, but at the same time it's more of an obvious pattern compared to the VV ring or like the Spanish collection. This one gives you a bit of a combo of a hurricane effect and like star effect as well. It's very hard to explain, but once you guys see it close up, you will actually know what I mean. So on the outer part you get that dark cream, and on the inside it's like a mixture of like maybe like 7 corner stars, and then like it just goes around the hurricane to give you another lighter color in the middle part of the lens, which I thought was really unique. Talk about the color Apple Ring Brown first. Now this Apple Ring Brown, when I saw it and on the container itself or like on the packaging, it looks very dark brown but also a combo of like a golden brown. But when I actually put it on my eye, it just turned into like a yellow brown. It was like suddenly from a dark color turned into a lighter color, which I thought was pretty cool, but at the same time it's actually not so natural. So if you want something that really is very obvious on your eye, this brown I would definitely recommend, but it's definitely different from like the Spanish and the VV ring, where it just blends really nicely into your pupil. This one you can definitely see the outer rim and also the inner rim, and also like how it doesn't really blend into your pupil. It's been a while since I wear a contact lens like that, and it took me a while to actually adjust, but once I actually put it on, I actually quite like it because of the color. So on the outer rim you get that dark brown again, and it doesn't really blend into the hurricane effect, but somehow it looks quite nice together. It doesn't look like it's not mix matchy, if that makes sense, but overall it just turned out like a yellow golden color for me. And sometimes I feel like it's a bit of like a snake eye effect because my eye is dark and then I have this yellow brown. It's just one thing I like about the Apple Ring Brown was that I decided to try it out with pink undertone eyeshadow, and that actually worked out really nicely. Surprisingly, I thought it would be a bad combo with the pink eyeshadow and the brown contact lens, but somehow putting them together, as you guys can see on the close-up, it actually looks really nice. So I would definitely do that kind of color eyeshadow again for the contact lens. So yeah, definitely really like this. With the Apple Ring Green, it's so different from the brown. This Apple Ring Green, when I look at it, it is like a medium to dark contact lens, but actually putting it on, it turns darker. So you can see the brown turns lighter and the green turns darker. And this green color, straight away I already knew that it's not gonna be one of those really obvious green color. It's gonna be a blendable, nice neutral green, which I totally digging for. And with this one, when I put this on, you guys straight away can't tell it's green. This felt like a gray undertone, blue undertone green contact lens. The more I look at it, I can see the combo of gray, the combo of blue, like cool colors, and also I can see like a dark green, like jade green color, which I thought was really unique. So the outer rim again is the same. You get that dark black for this one for me, like a dark black outer rim, and then obviously it's like an obvious outer rim again. And on inside with that hurricane effect, you get a mixture of like little dark gray triangles, and then also like a mixture of grey, and then right on the inside you get a mixture of light green and also that light brown as well. So if you ask me which one I would pick, I would definitely pick the green one because it is much more unique, but I also like the brown one for one of those days where I want my eyes to look much more obvious, much more golden. Yeah, it's just, this is definitely very different. When I first saw this in the packaging, I totally thought that it might be very similar to the VV Ring collection because of the rim on the outer part of the contact lens. But no guys, this is completely different, so I'll show you guys like side by side comparison. With this green one, I'm actually pairing this with like a golden eyeshadow, and again, it looks really nice. I reckon this one will also look really nice with smoky eye look, and it will just complement your eye look overall. Like, I think this is such a pretty eye color. I am very curious to see how this green will look on lighter eyes. Same with the brown one as well, because I'm guessing it would just look much more lighter in the eye, which I'm really curious. So if you guys who have lighter eyes than me, definitely comment down below if you have this collection, because I would like to know how it looks like on your eyes. Hope you guys found this review informative. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will reply to you guys. And let me know what other contact lens you guys want me to review next, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.